Be like Kevin. Hey everybody, this is Bob Cargill. Be like Kevin. Kevin Cronin, lead vocalist, REO Speedwagon. He's 70 years old. I saw Kevin Cronin and REO Speedwagon many years ago perform at the Boston Garden in Boston around 1980. I was right up front. Awesome show, ridiculously awesome. And they are still touring to this day. In fact, they're on tour right now, and I follow them on Facebook. Kevin Cronin and REO Speedwagon. And I said, be like Kevin. Why do I say that? Because he is awesome on Facebook. Brands, businesses, professionals, people. You can learn so much from Kevin Cronin about how to use social media. Yes, he's on Facebook often, documenting where the band is on tour and what they are doing. So they might be at a restaurant, they might be backstage, he might be on stage watching the band that's playing before they come on stage. Whatever he's doing, whatever they're doing, he's talking about on Facebook and making you feel close to him. So brands, businesses, professionals, people, be like Kevin. Kevin knows how to use social media. He puts a face on the brand. And that's how you should do it too. Use social media for social reasons. Get closer to your customers, your constituents, your fans. Be like Kevin.